Welcome to WeFix, your ultimate service providers hub. Are you looking to create a seamless platform to connect customers with service providers? Whether it's home repairs, beauty services, or professional consultations, WeFix is here to simplify the process and bring everyone together under one roof. What is WeFix? WeFix is a powerful, all-in-one solution designed to build a service providers hub that's both user-friendly and efficient. It's perfect for business owners, entrepreneurs, and platform creators aiming to manage multiple services and providers in one place. Let's dive into what makes WeFix the ultimate tool for service platforms. For service providers. Service providers are the backbone of any platform. With WeFix, they can create custom profiles to highlight their expertise and attract customers, showcase portfolios to display their best work, set transparent pricing so customers know exactly what they're getting, easily manage bookings, schedules, and customer interactions all in one place. For customers, WeFix makes life easy for customers by providing a smooth and intuitive experience. Customers can browse services by category, compare providers, and read reviews. Booking appointments takes just a few clicks, with clear schedules and pricing displayed up front. Real-time notifications keep customers updated about their bookings and service status. Powerful features that set WeFix apart. Admin dashboard. Manage your platform effortlessly with a user-friendly admin panel that offers full control over services, providers, and transactions. Service categories. Tailor your platform to your audience by creating multiple service categories, each with custom pricing options. Booking system. A seamless booking experience ensures satisfaction for both customers and providers. Multi-vendor support. Grow your platform with support for multiple service providers, perfect for scaling your business. Payment integration. Secure, hassle-free payments to build trust and streamline transactions. Why choose WeFix? Save time with a pre-built, feature-rich solution. Deliver exceptional user experiences with sleek designs and smooth workflows. Expand your platform effortlessly with scalable features and multi-vendor support. Whether you're building a hub for local professionals or launching a large-scale service marketplace, WeFix is your ticket to success. Ready to get started? Build your dream service platform today with WeFix and take your business to the next level. See the demo from the description link below. WeFix, where solutions meet simplicity. Don't wait. Start building your service providers hub now.